Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to do a little bit of a refresh on a wedding gift that was given to us just 34 years. We just celebrated 34 years. You can tell it's falling apart. I bring it out every Christmas. It was part of a bigger gift. I'm just going to pull out all of the old stuff, put a new bird on it. I have some cedar, Douglas fir, noble fir, some moss. I have some oasis, and then of course a new bird. But before I start taking it apart, I want to let you guys know that I do have a lapel mic on order. It was supposed to be here already, but things are taking a little bit longer to come through the mail, so hopefully it'll be here by the time we plant our bulbs. I had pulled a little birdhouse out and I thought about tucking it in here, but I actually like it just the way it is. By the time January comes around, this will all have to come out. I just might do something fresh every year in this little guy. I've never seen grapevine shaped this way, and I think because it was part of a wedding gift for us that I've never really wanted to part with it. Even though it was looking a little tired, I'd still wrap it up every year and I'd bring it out at Christmas. So maybe for just, you know, it was a couple of dollars for the cedar, 50 cents for the oasis, and of course the Douglas fir and the noble fir, those were just scraps that I picked up at a tree lot that, you know, of course they're, yes, take all you want because it's less for them to have to throw away. Anyway, I really like how it turned out, and I'm always going to keep this little birdhouse. It means a lot to me, and I'm going to hang it in the front. This will last us all through the season, and each time I come through the front door, it'll just remind me of how special it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.